Hello and thanks for joining me. Today is the 1st of April, which means it's the start of the riding season, and I'm just doing some work on my bike to prepare it for summer riding. And of course, one of the most important jobs to do at this time of year is to change the air in your tyres, to change it from the winter air that you've been running over the winter, of course, to summer air, which is more suitable for riding the bike over the summer. Now, of course, you don't have to do this immediately today, but it's important to do it sometime over the next couple of weeks. Now, if you're not very confident about doing this kind of job yourself, then I recommend you pop down to your local dealer or garage mechanic and ask them to change your air over from winter air to summer air in your tyres. If you feel more confident, it's a job you can do yourself, and of course it's a job I'm just going to do now. Now, when I talk to some people, when they take the winter air out of their tyres, they actually save it and you know, they restore it again for next winter. But really, I wouldn't recommend that. I don't think it's a good idea. I mean, you wouldn't reuse your engine oil, would you? So I'm not going to reuse the air out of the tyres. So if you're not going to reuse it, of course, you've got the problem of how do you safely dispose of the air that you take out, you know, because, you know, when you change your oil, you've got to dispose of your engine oil in an environmentally safe way. Well, what about the air that you take out? Well, in the case of air, it's not so much a problem because there's no real environmental issue with just letting the air go out into the air. So yeah, I would recommend just let the air out and then replace it with the summer air, and you really will notice a difference. So hope you found that useful. Thanks a lot for watching. See you again next time. Bye.